Hello, my name is Juliana Robinson, and I'm going to discuss some of the implementation for my professional development course on SEL for educators. The Start Here module is where students or participants should go first. It includes an introduction video that I have added to introduce myself, explain how I can be reached, explain the main objectives for the course, and also hope to encourage community and participation by making all participants feel welcome. Participants will have access to this module even before the course begins so that I can ensure a smooth start to the course. This is like an orientation, which will help them understand the layout and expectations for the course, which is especially important because this course is hybrid with both online and in-person components. Each weekly module has clearly defined learning objectives within the folders because this will help participants understand what they're expected to learn by the end of the module. Another aspect of my effective instructional approach for the course is I'm using a variety of formats to create engaging content and avoid what can sometimes become monotonous learning. The course is broken down into manageable components in order to avoid fatigue, information overload, and to help participants learn new information and actually retain it. The course is interactive and allows for participation in discussions, activities, collaboration, and practical application of SEL strategies. Participants will also have the ability to give and receive constructive feedback and have access to additional resources to support their more specific learning needs. Also, they will have access to me via email should they want additional support. I am sharing the main course for the goal and outcomes throughout the course. However, in the Start Here module, you can find the goals shared in the introduction video, the course syllabus and outline, and a more in-depth breakdown of goals in the 3-column planning table. Additionally, for each goal will also be listed throughout the Learning Weekly modules. However, here is the course outline. Again, easily accessible and clear to understand in the Start Here module. And here is the 3-column table, which also has the learning goals and our big, hairy, audacious goal clearly stated at the top. The course is student-centered and focuses on the needs and experiences of the educators. While the course will have some teacher-led activities, the goal will be for me to facilitate learning and not for me to provide direct instruction. By looking at the 3-column table document, participants can see how all activities and assessments are aligned to help meet learning goals. Ultimately, the sum of all course components will empower educators with the knowledge, skills, and strategies to effectively support the SEL needs of their learners. If we click the online weekly modules, you will see that week 1 will be focused on the introduction to SEL for educators with 2 videos. One is an overview of SEL and its importance in education. The other includes the 5 key components of SEL. And finally, there will be a week 1 discussion to encourage participation, the exchange of ideas and information, and also to increase community within the group. If we look at online module for week 2, it focuses on building a supportive classroom environment and builds on the knowledge made available for week 1. The online learning starts with a video, including strategies for creating an inclusive classroom, followed by various case studies of examples and non-examples of teachers providing safe classroom environments for their learners, and finally, a reflection submission for participants to provide an analysis of each case study. My role in the course is to serve as a facilitator. I've designed the course and made sure that it is sound, relevant, and presented in an order that makes logical, sequential sense. I will lead the in-person meetings, provide clear instructions, as well as offer support to learners through both the in-person and online components. I will also provide participants with the opportunity to receive timely feedback. And as the course facilitator, I will create a collaborative learning space and encourage participants to engage with content and with one another. Another part of my responsibilities will be to monitor learning through formative and summative assessment. I will also reflect and rely on feedback to adjust the course to ensure that it is always relevant and effective as we move on into the future. I will introduce the course and myself in the Start Here module of the course. I have recorded a video introducing myself, explaining the course and my role in the course. I plan on fostering a sense of community among the participants through group activities, discussion forums, and peer support networks that extend outside of the course duration. I have decided to encourage collaboration and sharing of resources and experiences as well. The course is blended to offer flexibility through asynchronous and also offer community collaboration and accountability through the synchronous components. The course is 70% online and about 30% in person. Participants should expect to dedicate 3 to 4 hours per week in the online modules and 1 to 2 hours per week for the in-person sessions. This balanced ratio ensures that educators have the time to absorb and reflect on material independently, while also benefiting from the collaborative components of the in-person sessions. I will address infrastructure needs by ensuring that I choose an accessible and spacious location for the in-person sessions. As of right now, I'm thinking of using the large group instruction space in one of our district campuses because it is comfortable, a central location, it has reliable internet, a projection system, and sound equipment, as well as seating, which facilitates collaboration. I can direct participants to our technology help desk for any tech-related issues that may come up. If a teacher is newer to our district, they may need support navigating Schoology, and I will make sure to aid as needed. I have clearly shared my contact information in the Start Here module, so they know exactly how to contact me if necessary. Lastly, I will provide regular feedback mechanisms to understand and address the ongoing needs and challenges that participants may be facing throughout the course for both the asynchronous and synchronous portions. Thank you for listening.